Hello, my name is Jeremy Meadows-Taylor and I'm Head of Music here at Bromsgrove International School. We've been very honoured today to host the 2018-19 TISAC Secondary Choral Day. Out of our 15 schools in TISAC, it was fantastic to have 8 schools attending the event today, with over 180 students singing in a big choir on stage. We began the day with sectional rehearsals in sopranos, altos and baritones, and then came together in our auditorium to rehearse our programme for our concert this afternoon. Our concert this afternoon featured some songs from individual choirs from some of our visiting schools. These included Regent's International School, Trail International School, and also the vocal ensemble from here at Bromsgrove International School. The final 3 songs of our concert were on the theme of the International Day of Peace, which was last Friday. These 3 songs were chosen to celebrate that theme and to celebrate the idea of world peace for our audience. The first was a song very well known by John Lennon called Imagine. The second was an African-American spiritual called Peace Like a River. And finally, our choir village all came together to perform a song that's based on the African proverb, "It takes a whole village to raise one child." This is a really energetic song that brings all the different voices together in different ways, and this one is called "It Takes a Village."
Civilized movements of Africa,
We've just finished a very successful TISAC Choral Day here at Bromsgrove, and I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of our visiting schools: Ascot, Bangkok Christian, Charter, Regent, St Andrews 107, St Stephen's and Trail. And I would also like to say a huge thank you to all of the music teachers from those schools for their fantastic support today.